Hey guys and girls, what's going on? Josh back here with another video. Today I have got this gorgeous £300 Wright Anvil. From what I understand, it's one of the early patented. It was between 1856 and 1860. Don't quote me on that, it was something like that. This beautiful monster of an anvil, or monster to me anyway. How do I know it's £300? Well, I've got two 220 in the 100 weight system, so I did that on the anvil fire and it came out at £300, and trust me, it's heavy. So yeah, what I'm going to be doing today is restoring, not so much restoring, but cleaning this beauty up and putting it to work. So I hope you all enjoy this video.
Time stops when I'm falling for you. The world stops spinning, my head is spinning too. Time stops when I'm falling for you. Should I stop or are you falling for me? As your world stops spinning, is your head spinning too? Should I stop or are you falling for me? As your world stops spinning, is your head spinning too?
So I hope you all enjoyed this video, restoring this, well, making it look prettier, getting all the rust off, so cleaning it up. This Peter Wright Anvil. So like I said at the beginning, it's got a 2, 2 and 20. Now I've wire brushed it, I can tell it all off. I've gone on anvil fire, 300 pounds. It's a beast, it weighs a lot. But yeah, it looks really pretty now, and I'm so happy I've got it. As you see, we were sorting out that hardy hull, because it was a bit cock-ended, a bit wonky, so we sorted that out, and you can get a hardy tool in there now. It looks so much better. Yeah, I'm so in love with this anvil. It is absolutely gorgeous and I love it. Yeah, anyway, hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to rate, comment, share and subscribe. It really helps. Follow my social media in the links in the description below. There'll be Snapchat, Twitter, Instagram and Facebook. All that's in the description below. Previous and next videos, playlists, knife making, tools, metalworking, welding, blacksmithing, all that's in the description below. Hope you all enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one.